What is up, Z-Force? What's good? It's razzaq here, and I'm back with another video. As y'all boys can already see by the title, in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to keep your dreads clean. Basically, I'm gonna wash my hair, I'm gonna condition my hair, cause you feel me, I condition my hair now, you feel me? I'm gonna show you guys how to, wash your hair or whatnot. Basically, I'm gonna show you guys what I use to wash my hair, how I do it, and basically it's gonna be like that. So, without any further ado, let's get straight into it. If you haven't already, make sure you check out the vlog channel. A new vlog coming very, very soon. You feel me? Let's get into it.
Get up, 5, 4, 3, 2, I forgot. Man, I can't wait to cop a new whip with the trunk in the front. Now when they bad bitches want me, remember they run.
So first things first, we got the shampoo. It's gonna be this, I forgot what this is called, OhYe right there. And it's gonna be the biotin and collagen one. I like to use the biotin shampoo just cause biotin makes your hair grow and makes your hair healthy, basically. Helps it get stronger, thicker, fuller. And I always try and make sure, since I dyed my hair, I've been trying to make sure my hair is still healthy, you feel me? I still gotta have the healthiest locks on YouTube, man. I still gotta have those. But yeah, this is the shampoo. Next, for the conditioner, I use this Shea Moisture Strengthen and Repair Conditioner. It got the black castor oil in it, which also helps your hair grow. So in case y'all are wondering how to grow your hair fast, I think that this might also help, because you feel me? So without any further ado, bro, I'm gonna hop in the shower. I'm probably just gonna have just show y'all basically how I wet my hair. So first thing we're gonna do is wet our hair. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, first things first, you're gonna have to go ahead and wet your hair up. After you wet your hair up, as y'all can see, you wanna make sure your hair is nice and wet, nice and soaked. So I hopped in the bathtub, shower, whatever you wanna call it. Then you apply the shampoo all throughout your hair. Literally, I like to start from the roots to get the roots nice and sudsed up, and then I put the rest of it in my locks. Don't like to get too much shampoo in my hair, just cause, you know what I'm saying, you don't want the shampoo to get built up in there. So obviously let more water hit your head. I had to close the shower now, boys. Let more water hit your head. After that, rinse it all in, massage it again. And then you can go ahead and rinse out that shampoo. Pretty sure right here is me rinsing out the shampoo. I'm gonna have to go ahead and fast forward. And as y'all boys can see, we done, we good. Hair's rinsed, looking nice and long, all the shampoo's out. I don't know how the camera steamed up, don't worry about that, but yeah. And after we finish shampooing, of course, like I said, we have to condition. I've been recently using that, what's it called, Shea Moisture? Yes sir, Shea Moisture. It's like a deep repair mask. I use it because I have colored hair. But as y'all can see, I start off by just getting it, putting it in my hands, and distributing it throughout my scalp. Just like the shampoo, you always want to start at your scalp, just because I feel like, you know what I'm saying, that's the hair that just come out your scalp. That's what's important. So put that from there, and then after you get on your scalp, go ahead and distribute it evenly throughout your locks. And what I will do after that is go ahead and close the shower, you know what I'm saying? Get done taking my shower. After I'm done doing all that, the whole process is done basically. I don't condition my hair for super long unless I just dyed it maybe. But yeah, after that, basically done from here. Gonna rinse out the conditioner. You get the gist from there, da-da-da. I don't need to tell you too much. Hey, we done with this video. I forgot to record an outro, of course. So you feel me? After this, I did a braid video. So make sure you guys stay sub. Make sure you guys follow. Make sure you guys like. Make sure you guys comment. Thank you for all the love. We on the road to 7K. Young Annie. And you feel me? I'm out of here.